Most people don't feel excited about AI. They feel quietly confused. They try it. Sometimes it helps, sometimes it doesn't. And they're left wondering what they're missing. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. The problem usually isn't intelligence, and it's not age. It's noise. Too many tools, too many opinions, too many people saying you need to learn everything right now. That makes it hard to think clearly. Here's the shift that made things easier for me. You don't need to learn AI. You need one clear situation, one task you're dealing with, one question you're trying to answer, one problem that actually matters right now. When you stop trying to understand everything at once, AI suddenly becomes more useful. When you slow it down, a few things happen. Your thinking gets clearer. The answers get more relevant. You stop second-guessing yourself. AI becomes a tool again, not something you're fighting with. That's what this space is about. Thinking clearly, no hype, no rush, just calmer ways to use AI, one thing at a time.